In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQs, that is u into xy is equal to e power x cos y is. U mean partially differentiate with respect to x. So solution, that is first partial differentiate with respect to x, that is e power x cos y. Again differentiate with respect to x, that is partial square u over partial x square is equal to e power x. So derivative of e power x is equal to e power x cos y. Next, partial differentiate with respect to y. So partial u over partial y is equal to e power x. Derivative of cos y is equal to minus sin y. Again differentiate with respect to x, y, that is partial square u over partial y square is equal to e minus e power x. Partially differentiate with respect to x, so derivative y sin derivative of sin y is equal to cos y. So partial square u over partial y square is equal to minus e power x cos y, which implies Laplace equation, that is partial square u over partial x square plus partial square u over partial y square is equal to e power x cos y minus e power x cos y equal to 0. The function u into xy is equal to e power x cos y satisfies the Laplace equation, so it is harmonic. Option A is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.